Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings in the market, the AKG N400 True Wireless Earbuds. Known for their sleek design and powerful features, these earbuds are making waves in the audio world. Let's explore why they're a standout choice for music enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike. First off, let's talk about what makes the AKG N400 earbuds special. They boast active noise cancellation, which is crucial for blocking out ambient noise and immersing yourself fully in your music or calls. The sleek silver design not only looks great but also fits snugly in your ears, providing comfort even during extended wear. These earbuds are truly designed with both style and functionality in mind. Now, onto sound quality. The AKG N400 earbuds deliver a rich and detailed audio experience. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or taking calls, the sound is crisp, clear, and balanced. The bass packs a punch without overwhelming the mids and highs, making them perfect for any genre of music. Another standout feature is the impressive battery life. With up to a playback time on a single charge and the convenience of wireless charging, these earbuds keep you connected throughout the day. Pairing is seamless thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring a hassle-free experience whether you're using iOS or Android devices. Comfort is key, and the AKG N400 earbuds excel in this department. They come with multiple ear tip sizes to ensure a personalized fit, so you can wear them comfortably for hours. The ergonomic design not only enhances comfort but also helps in keeping the earbuds secure, even during workouts or on the go. Navigating through your music or managing calls is intuitive with the touch-sensitive controls on each earbud. You can play, pause, skip tracks, answer calls, and activate voice assistants with just a few taps, all without needing to reach for your device. To wrap it up, the AKG N400 True Wireless Earbuds stand out as a top choice in the market. With their combination of premium sound quality, effective noise cancellation, long battery life, and comfortable fit, they cater to both audiophiles and everyday users looking for a reliable audio companion. If you're in the market for earbuds that deliver on every front, these definitely deserve a closer look. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.